Hello guys. So many people were asking how you can achieve a menu in ADU or some other Ecumaster products. So I'll show you how I did it on ADU. So basically I needed some menu to cycle between some parameters where I can change their values. So I defined a menu, for example, value 1 will be the Haldex mode, value 2 will be boost, and value 3 launch control. 0 will be nothing, so if I'll try to change anything, nothing will change here. So if I select menu mode as 1, if I press another button which is intended to change the value, I'll see that I am changing the value for that mode. Same for boost, same for launch control. 0, as I said, will change nothing. So let me show you how I achieved that. Basically it's a switch which has latching type, like it has an input channel 1 button S7 and 4 values long from 0 to 3. If you reach the value 3 and you press once again, it will cycle from beginning back to 0. As well, I have a function, for example Haldex. It will check that the mode is equal to 1 and it will check if the button is some other button, S1 if you noticed, is pressed. So meaning if I have mode 1 and the button to increase the value is pressed, this function will become true. It will have value 1 and it can be used for something. Yeah. So I defined another switch which is Haldex mode. And you can see that this function is defined as an input channel here. So the Haldex mode as well has like 4 values, like from 0 to 3, and it will cycle between those values as well. So basically this is how you achieve it. Yeah, the translation between value 0 to 1 to text, like this one is done through enumeration. If somebody doesn't know how to do that, is you define an enumeration. You have the values here, default is the 0, 1. So you can put some color or some text here. And then you define a table, because the enumeration you cannot select as a source for the channel, but you define a table, for example, table Haldex. Yeah? It is based on the Haldex mode axis. And you select here quantity enumeration, and you select the enumeration that you define there. And for each mode you can define which text and color will be assigned for it. Yeah? And already inside the value, text value, you just define the channel as table Haldex. It will automatically pick up the unit eHaldex, and you'll have these values displayed as text. Same is for color. Here the same approach was used. So hope it helps anyone. I spent some time for it, so glad I could help. Have a good day.